Buymote e-shopping application is one of the online shopping app now available on Play Store and App Store. Click below link and install the application and make use of it for all of your grocery and general purchasing. It's been more than 4 months. Money is not credited to the account. Buying coupon code purchase offer also going to end. What to do?
Audio Jungle.
Yes, I got the payment from SBO. Let's go purchase the Buymote coupon code. Before going to the video, those of you who have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, let's jump into the video. Before buying the Buymote coupon code, please make sure that you download and install official app of Buymote from App Store or Play Store. Go to the App Store and search for Buymote e-shopping and download it. To register, just click the three horizontal lines showing at left corner of the screen. Then enter the phone number which you registered with SBO and click proceed. You will receive OTP to the mobile number. Just enter that OTP and click login. Then it will take you to the register page where you can enter your SBO registered name in the name text box, your SBO registered email ID in the email address text box. Then enter alternative mobile number if you have, but not mandatory. Then click the registration button. That's it. Now you successfully registered. You can now check out the card and place the order. First, we have to show our interest to buy coupon code to SBO, whether you are a sales team or promotion team member of SBO. For that, first I am opening my SBO dashboard. Left side, you can find the interest to buy coupon. Just click that option. It will take you to the buy coupon form, where you can find your profile ID and name, which was filled already. What you have to do, just fill your Buymote app registered email ID under the current email ID text box, and your Buymote app registered contact mobile number under the current contact number text box. Finally, tick that I am interested to buy a coupon code from Buymote and click the submit button. That's it. SBO will send the detailed email within 10 working hours. When I open my SBO dashboard the following day, which is 30th of December 2024, I noticed that coupon purchase menu option added additional. I clicked that option. It took me to the Buymote page where I found the following. Dear SBO member, are ready to crack the coupon code and start saving? Follow these simple steps to purchase your exclusive coupon code from Buymote. Coupon code value is rupees 22,000, but for SBO members, rupees 9,999 only. Key benefits of your coupon code. Share and earn extra. Share your coupon code with your friends and family, and both of you get exclusive rewards. Long-lasting validity. Your coupon code is valid for an incredible 1,825 days, which is 5 years. Plenty of time to enjoy the benefits. Unlock savings on big purchases. Spend rupees 3,000 or more in your cart to redeem 250 coupon points for amazing deals. Double your rewards. When you redeem coupon points, you will get between 500 and 2,000 reward points to use on future purchases. Twice a month per. Use your coupon points to 2 times every month for continuous savings. Following that, the Buymote account details to pay the coupon purchase amount. Please note that you have to pay to the account details provided in your SBO dashboard. It varies person to person, so please follow the account details SBO provided in your dashboard. Next, do the payment whichever way convenient to you, like UPI, online transfer, etc. But don't forget to take a screenshot of the success page or a photo of the payment channel. If you are facing any difficulties to send money to the provided account, just send your concern to the email marketing@sbogroup.org. They will reach out to you within 3 hours. You have sent the amount to the Buymote account and you have the payment proof with you. What next? You have to upload the payment proof. For that, just go to your SBO dashboard. Just click the interested to buy coupon menu at the left side of the dashboard. It will take you to the coupon purchase request form. Bottom of the page, you can find upload your payment proof. Just click it. You can see the buy coupon payment upload forms. Just fill your Buymote registered email ID under Buymote app given email ID text box, your Buymote app registered phone number under Buymote app given phone number text box, followed by paid date. Select payment method, whether you paid through online or direct bank visit. I am choosing online as I paid through online. Then paid amount and the payment reference number which you can find in your payment receipt. Finally, upload your payment receipt by clicking the choose file menu under upload your payment proof. Please make sure that the payment proof will be under 5 MB and in PNG, the JPEG and JPEG format only. Once you upload the payment proof, click the submit button. But before submitting the payment proof, once again check all the details given are correct to avoid future complications. That's it. You have successfully submitted. Message will show at the bottom. After receiving your details, SBO will verify them and approve your application. Once SBO marketing team approves your application, SBO will inform the Buymote marketing team. After verifying your details from Buymote side, Buymote team will send a confirmation and coupon code details to the email you provided. This process will take maximum of 7 working days to complete. If you need any assistance, just send your concern to this email marketing@sbogroup.org. SBO will reach out to you within 3 hours. Okay, we purchased the Buymote coupon code. When, where, and how you can redeem this? Stay tuned for more details in the part 2 video. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any comments, please let me know in the comment section. I will see you all in another video. Until then, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more topics and videos. See you soon.